video, I'm going to show you how to make an adjustment layer on a video project that will cover all of the clips. In this case specifically, we're going to use the tint adjustment layer. So you want to go over to your project panel and have your project window open here where you can see all of your clips, and then you're going to go in the bottom right of that panel and click on the little paper thing that says New Item, and you're going to choose Adjustment Layer. And you can say OK to those settings, and you can see it added it into your project window. You want to click it and drag it on top onto a new video track that rests on top of all the other ones, and we're going to extend this clip out to fill the whole video. So we have our adjustment layer, but it's blank inside, so we need to go up to Effects and open Video Effects. So you're going to open Video Effects and then Color Correction, and you can see Tint there, and you just drag whatever adjustment layer you want. I'm going to use Tint and drop it in there. So this, when you first drop it in there, it just makes your video turn black and white. If you want to edit that at all any further, you can always go up to Effect Controls. You can change the color from black to any other color and white to any other color, and change the amount of tint that it's showing.